everyone, it's Michelle from A Noble Touch, and today we are going to do a cute Halloween shirt. You can use any type of cutout, wood cutout. These come from Dollar Tree, so you can get one of these, a couple of the houses, Bride of Frankenstein, and then we have, of course, our coffin with our pumpkins in it. And then it has also these little, you can get these little wood cutouts and add to it if you would like. I will save these for other shirts I plan on doing. I'm making these for the kids and the grandkids, so hopefully they'll like these. Now, if you're using the ornaments or like this, you're going to want to cover that hole with some tape right there. So what you're going to need is a black shirt. You want to put a piece of cardboard in it so it doesn't seep through to the back. Of course, you're going to need some gloves, some bleach, and then some peroxide. So we are going to get started. This should be a simple, easy, fun thing for you to do for your children or grandchildren. And also wear an apron so you don't get your clothes bleached. And be careful you don't get this on your clothes, but keep it in your work area. So what you're going to do is you're going to position your piece where you want it. I think that looks straight enough, but blind man, fast horse, never see it, right? It's my dad's favorite saying. So anyway, what you're going to do is just take your bleach and spray, lightly spray. I say lightly spray, but we'll spray here on your shirt. I want to try to get it so it's not on an angle, but you're spraying kind of straight down onto it because you don't want it to shoot the other way. And if you get some spray on the outside, that's okay. That's the whole point. It's going to look cool. Might have to put some more bleach in my bottle. And your shirt should change pretty quickly on the color. And just watch it so it gets your desired effect here. And you can spray a little bit down here just to get some, you know, some bleach up there so it's kind of cool. And then you're just going to watch it turn, and it turns pretty quickly. So you want like an orange, you know, an orange effect coming off of it. I might have to pause this video and go get some more bleach in here because when I turn this straight up, I don't have enough in there. And this is straight bleach I am using. There we go. I had to go fill it up a little bit more. Just want to make sure it's like straight up and down when you spray. I think that's good. Get some up here. And then I'm going to just wait and let this turn a little bit more orange. And then once we do that, we're going to hit it with peroxide. Now the peroxide will stop the bleaching process. And then we're going to rinse it with cold water. And once it's rinsed, you can throw it in the wash and wash it with cold water as well. So we'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and took off the wood, and now we're just going to take our peroxide and spray the shirt. And this, like I said, just prevents the bleach from bleaching anymore. And then we're just going to rinse it with cold water wash it in cold water, and then it should be set to wear. So thank you so much for joining me. If you do decide to do this, please make sure to share it on my business page on Facebook, A Noble Touch. And I love seeing your guys' projects that you learn from my videos. So thank you so much for joining me, and you guys have a great day.